Has this ever happened to you? Well, don't worry, because by the end of this video, you too will know how to drink water. The first thing you need to do is to obtain a glass. For video purposes, we will use a nice big glass mug. You then take this glass mug over to your fridge and fill it with water. However, some people do not have water in their fridge, so we will also use the method of using a filter. We currently already have filtered water, but for demonstration purposes, we will show you how to filter water. Simply take your filter and put it into the sink, and then move your spout, and then take off the lid, and then simply turn on the water. And then turn it off. The water will filter down below, and you'll get fresh, clean water. Now that the water is filtered down below, we simply take our pitcher, like so, and then we rotate it so that way the spout is aimed toward the glass. We then take our pitcher and pour out the water. That's enough. So now we have a nice tall glass of water. Now that we have our glass of water, we're almost ready to drink. But before you drink our water, be sure to relax your throat. This will allow the water to go down your throat and into your stomach more easily. Now we take the cup and lift it to our mouth. After that, we'll simply tip the mug upward and allow the water to go into our mouth, and then we'll swallow it so that the water will go into our stomach. That was delicious. Now you too know how to drink water. If you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to click on the box to watch advanced water drinking techniques.